Hello everyone, this is Tanya. Welcome to your French lesson. Today we are going to study about adjectives. Adjectives भी बाकी फ्रेंच ग्रामर के अकॉर्डिंग ही ये भी नंबर और जेंडर के अकॉर्डिंग अकॉर्ड होती है. तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि वर्ड क्या होता है फ्रेंच में एडजेक्टिव्स के लिए और फिर वो अकॉर्ड कैसे होते हैं सिंगुलर, प्लूरल, मैस्कुलिन, फेमिनिन के अकॉर्डिंग. सबसे पहले स्मॉल या शॉर्ट. स्मॉल या शॉर्ट के लिए जो वर्ड होता है फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज में दैट इज पति. फॉर मैस्कुलिन सिंगुलर वी राइट पति. Okay, and if we have to make it plural, we just have to add an s. It will become pati. No change in the pronunciation, only change in the spelling. And if we have to say it for feminine singular, then we have to add an extra e here. It will become pati. It will become pati. Okay, and to make it plural, we just have to add an s. Pati. If we have to say small boy, we will use this. Like small boy, to pati garçon. Okay, and if the boys are plural, then we have to add s here because the boys are plural, and we have to add s here also. Pati garçon. And if we have to talk about the girl, then we will use this one, feminine one. Okay, feel. This is the rule. Now big and tall. For big and tall, the word uses grand. It's grand. If we have to make it plural, we just have to add an s. Grand. And for feminine singular, we have to add an e. Grand. And to make it plural, we just have to add an s. Grand. Okay. For pretty, the word is jolie. The word is jolie. We have to make it plural. We just have to add an s. We have to add an s. For feminine, it's jolie. We have to add an e here. Okay. And to make it plural, we just have to write jolies. Okay, and for ugly, the word is laid. Laid. To make it plural, we just have to add an s. And to make it feminine, we just have to add an e. To make it plural, just write laides. And for the word intelligent, it is same as English. The pronunciation is different. Intelligent. Intelligent. To make it plural, just add an s. Intelligent. To make it feminine, just add an e. Intelligent. To make it plural, just add an s. For thin, the word is mince. This is same for feminine also, mince. And for plural, we just have to add an s. For kind, the word is sympathique. 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 For feminine also, this is same, and for plural, we just have to add an s. Sympathique. For the word good, it is bon. B-O-N. If we have to make it plural, we just have to add an S. For feminine, it is bon. And to make it plural, we just have to add an S. These are some common adjectives that are used on regular purpose. Let's look at some more adjectives. These are few more adjectives that are used commonly. The first one is bad. Bad is written as mauvais. To make it plural, the spelling will remain same. The reason is it is already ending with S. So it will remain mauvais. Okay. To make it feminine, we just have to add an S. Mauvais. And to make it plural, just add an extra S. So this is bad. For beautiful and handsome, in the case of masculine, we will say handsome only, not beautiful. So it is beau. Beau. And to make it plural, we have to add an X, not S. If a word is ending with EAU and we have to make it plural, we add X. Okay. And for beautiful, it is belle. And if we have to make it plural, we will say belle. Okay. And for fat, it's gros. To make it plural, it is already ending with S, so the spelling will remain same. Gros. To make it feminine, we just don't have to add singly, एक extra SP add होगा, that is gross. Okay, so to make it plural, it's gross. For happy, it's content. Content. To make it plural, just add an S. Content. Content, feminine के लिए. To make it plural, content. For unhappy, it's mécontent. M-E accent and content. To make it plural, add an S. To make it feminine, add an E. To make it plural, add an S. So these are few of the common adjectives that are used on regular basis. Let's try to make few sentences using them. If you have not written, you can just pause the video and write them. Let's make few sentences now. Suppose I want to say I am small. So what I will say? Je suis petit. I am a female, so I'll use the feminine one. Okay? Pati. If I have to say like he is fat. Okay? So il est gros. Okay? Because it was I was using the fat word for masculine, so I used gros. If I have to make it plural, like plural boys के लिए, so they are fat. So I'll use the same क्योंकि S से ही end हो रहा है, plural के लिए भी कोई spelling में change नहीं आएगा. If I have to say he is handsome, il est beau. And if I have to say they are handsome, so ils sont beaux. Okay, so this lesson was all about the adjectives and how are they accorded according to the number and gender. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like the video and share. Thank you.